Welcome to another biology presentation. So in this presentation we are going to answer biology paper 2 question 3 for 2002. So let us look at our question. So here is our question 3. Figure 3.1 shows two cross sections from different parts of a dicotyledonous plant. So this is figure 3.1, which is showing two cross sections from different parts of the dicotyledonous plant. So we have the plant part W, this one. We also have plant part V. So here is our question A. Which diagram shows the cross section of 1 root, 2 stem? Explain your answer. So we need to identify which diagram shows the section of the root and which diagram shows the section of the stem. So we have diagrams that are labeled plant part W and plant part V. So in order for us to be able to identify the diagram that is showing the cross section of the root and that of the stem, let us take a look at these diagrams. So we have the first cross section of the dicot root. So we can take a look at the parts that we have. Okay, we can take a look at the parts that we have. So this is the dicot root. Okay, so we can take note of the parts that we have. So we can see that in this dicot root we have these parts. We have endodermis, epidermis, root hair, we have the cortex, we also have the phloem, the xylem, and the pericycle. Okay, then let us look at another structure, which is the cross section of the monocot root. So in this cross section of the monocot root, we have the endodermis, we have the epidermis, the root hair, the cortex, the pericycle, the xylem, and the pith, also the phloem. So you can notice that in the cross section of the dicot root right here, okay, there is absence of the pith, okay, but here in the cross section of the monocot root there is a what? There is the presence of the pith. Okay, now apart from that, you can see that in this dicot root, when you look at the xylem there, okay, the xylem are arranged in a star shaped manner. You can see the way they are looking, same way they are arranged in a star shaped manner, okay, which they are formed in that way, and they also alternate with the phloem right here. Okay, so let us now write our answer. So we have said for root it's plant part W. This one is the cross section showing the root. Okay, so the reason we have said that in dicot roots the pith is absent and the xylem are arranged in a star-like formation while the phloem alternate. Then for a stem we have said it's a plant part V. This is for the stem. Okay, then what is the reason? The reason is that in the dicot stems the phloem and the xylem, they form a what? A ring around the earth, around each other. So you can see in this dicot stem, the phloem and the xylem, they are forming a ring around the what? The pith, which was right here at the center. Okay, then these are being separated by the cambium, which will be right here. So here we have the xylem, here you have the phloem. They are being separated by the cambium, which is right here where my mouse pointer is pointing. Okay, so we have answered our question. Let us now move on to our second question. So here is our question 3. Our question reads, what are the shaded regions in the diagrams? Give the reasons for their different distributions. Okay, so we are looking at the shaded regions in the diagrams, and we should give the reasons for their different distributions. So the shaded regions, this one, the first one, we have the xylem. Okay, this is the xylem, and these are the phloem. Okay, so the xylem, in terms of their distribution, we have said xylems provide mechanical strength, and they also transport water to a plant. Then the other shaded regions that you have are the phloems. So these are the phloems. In terms of their distribution, what do they distribute? We all know that these phloems, they distribute food to all parts of the what? Of the plant. So we have answered our question. So thank you so much, everybody. We've come to the end of our lesson. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. Bye bye.